Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the today's session of English class. Dear students, it's really my pleasure to be with you all. I am Sandeep Kaur, English mistress from Government Middle School, Kishanpura, District Amritsar. Today we are going to do an interesting topic from English grammar section. Before moving to our topic, let's watch a video. I know you all will enjoy this video.
Hello dear. Hello my friend. How are you? I am fine. This is your pen. Oh, thanks. You are really an honest person. Yes, friends shouldn't be dishonest at all. That's why I like you. Even I can never dislike you, as you are tidy and fair. Of course, one should not be untidy and unfair ever. Oh no, my sums are incorrect. Have you done your maths homework? No, actually, my homework is incomplete. It means sir will be impolite to both of us. It's impossible. We have some time so we can rewrite it. Yes, it's a good idea. Definitely, we can redo our sums.
Dear students, now let's read the conversation of two puppet friends. Hello dear Aman. Hello my friend. How are you? I'm fine. This is your pen. Oh, thanks. Really, you are an honest person. Yes, friends shouldn't be dishonest at all. That's why I like you. Even I can never dislike you, as you are tidy and fair. Of course, one shouldn't be untidy and unfair ever. Oh no, my sums are incorrect. Have you done these sums? No, actually, my homework is incomplete. Now, sir will be impolite to both of us. It is impossible. We have some time to rewrite the work. Yes, it's a good idea. Definitely, we will redo our work. So dear students, I think ਤੁਸੀਂ ਧਿਆਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, notice ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ. Some words are highlighted with pink color. Now, let's read the highlighted words aloud. Dishonest, dislike, untidy, unfair, incomplete, incorrect, impolite, impossible, rewrite, redo. So students, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੋਟਿਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਰਡਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਕੁਝ ਲੈਟਰਸ ਐਕਸਟਰਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਇਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ 'ਚ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਵਰਡਸ ਵੀ ਨੇ। ਜਸਟ ਲਾਈਕ ਡਿਸ ਹੈ ਓਨੈਸਟ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਡਿਸਓਨੈਸਟ, dislike, like ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ untidy, un है un, unfair, again un is there, incomplete, in, incorrect, in है, impolite, in माया polite दे आगे, impossible, im is there before possible, rewrite, re आया, redo, re आया. So all these letters are before complete word. ये सारे letters complete word दे आगे आए ने. So dear students, all the above words are formed by adding some letters before the complete word. Complete word दे आगे कुछ extra letters लगा के नवे words बनाए गए हैं. The group of letters like dis, un, in, im, re are added. So the group of such letters added to the beginning of the word is called prefix. ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ prefix ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ words ਅੱਗੇ word ਅੱਗੇ letters ਲਗਾਏ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ group of letters ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ prefix कहने हैं. Dear students, let's discuss something about prefixes. Prefix has a meaning, but it is not a word. Yes, जेड़े prefix अगे लगाए जा रहे हैं. For example, pre means before. Un means not. Miss means wrong or something bad. री मीन्स अगेन दोबारा करना. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੱਕ मीनिंग ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਇਹ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਵਰਡਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਨੇ. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਰਡ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਨਵਾਂ ਵਰਡ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬਟ these prefixes are not complete word. ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੱਕ मीनिंग ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਨ ਇਹ ਵਰਡ ਦਾ मीनिंग ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ. So dear students, let's know about some more prefixes, meaning and their examples. For example, dis. Dis means opposite of. किसी चीज का उल्टा होना. Discomfort, disobey, disagree. Trans. Trans means across, move between. Transfer. Transport. Inter means between, among, विचकार. Interstate, intermingle. Sub means under. Sub का अपना meaning है under and it can be used as submarine, substandard. Over means too much, बहुत ज़्यादा. और इसनू यूज़ किवें कर सकते हैं? ओवरलोड, ओवरडोज, ओवरएक्ट. None, non, non means not, nonsense, non-stick. En, nm means cause to. For example, enjoy, enlighten, empathy. Un means opposite. Unlock, uncover, unsafe. Semi means half. Semicircle, semi-final. Re means again, rewrite, reread, return. Next word is mid. Mid means midterm, midway, midnight. Super. Super means above. Superstar, superstore, supernatural. MIS, miss. Miss means wrongly. गलत होना किसी चीज का. Mismatch, गलत मैच है जिਵੇਂ. Misplace, किसी गलत जगह ते पहुंच जाना, किसी चीज का गलत जगह ते रखिया जाना. Misplace, mismatch, misjudge. Dear students, we can have some antonyms also. Some antonyms are made by adding prefix like balance, imbalance, mature, immature, measurable, immeasurable, mobile, immobile, moral, immoral, movable, immovable, patient, impatient. So there are so many prefixes with which we can make antonyms. So dear students, let's move to one activity. This is one activity. It's very easy. Activity is look and make. Look at this mind map and make some words with prefix dis. D-I-S, dis. Dis prefix लगा के कुछ नए words बनाने हैं. I think you can make them. So first word is connect. Second is loyal. Third is order. Fourth is agree. Fifth is color. Sixth is appoint. I think you all got the answers, and the correct answers are disconnect, disloyal, disorder, disagree, discolor, disappoint. Yes, so I think now it's clear to you that prefix is a group of letters. It comes in the beginning of the word. Word ਦੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਇਹ ਇੱਕ group of letters ਹੈ. Dear students, now again let's watch a video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Raj. This watch is for you. Oh, wow! It is beautiful. Is it useful to you? Yes, dear, yes. It is wonderful and beautiful and useful too. Okay, your excitement to have this watch is endless. Yes, dear, yes. Actually, my happiness knows no bounds today. You are very good friend. Your friendly nature is always lovable to me. You are also a good singer. Please sing a song for me. Sure, dear. But let's play some creative games first of all. Okay, dear. It's a good idea.
Dear students, let's read the conversation of two puppet friends now. Happy birthday. This watch is for you. I'm thankful to you for this. I hope it will be useful to you. Yes, it is. It's beautiful, colorful, and useful too. Okay, dear. Your excitement to have this smartwatch is endless. Yes, dear. Today my happiness knows no bounds. Your friendly nature is always lovable to me. You are a good singer. Please sing a song for me. Sure, dear, but we should play some creative games first of all. Okay, it's a good idea. Let's move. So students, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੋਟਿਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਕਨਵਰਸੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਵਰਡਸ ਪਿੰਕ ਕਲਰ ਨਾਲ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ. ਸੋ ਲੈਟਸ read the highlighted words aloud. Thankful, beautiful, excitement, endless, happiness, friendly, lovable, singer, creative, useful. So dear students, I think ਕੁਝ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਰਡਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕਾਮਨ ਹੈ. There is one thing common, that they are having some letters at the end of the word. Thankful, F-U-L full ਹੈ end ਤੇ. Beautiful, F-U-L full again end ਤੇ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. Excitement, M-E-N-T meant. And less, L-E-S-S less. Happiness, N-E-S-S ness. Friendly, L-Y-L-E. Lovable, A-B-L-E able. Singer, E-R. Creative, I-V-E-A-R-A-N-T. Useful, again F-U-L full N-T. So dear students, all the above words are formed by adding some letters after the complete word. Thank एक complete word है, उस तो बाद 3 letters F-U-L full आए और word बन गया thankful. Excite plus met, happy plus ness, friend plus ly, love plus able, lovable, and plus less, endless. Sing plus er, singer. Creative word बनिया create plus I-E-V-E, creative. So the group of letters like full, meant, ness, ly, able, less, er, I-V-E, if, all these group of letters are added at the end of the word. It means the group of such letters added to the end of the word is called suffix. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ suffix ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Now let's discuss something more about the suffixes. So dear students, we can make some antonyms with suffix also by adding some suffix to the complete word. For example, pain plus full is painful. Pain plus less is painless. Painful means बहुत ज़्यादा दर्दनाक दर्द हो रही है, पेनफुल है. पेनलेस मीन्स बिल्कुल दर्द नहीं हो रही सी, बहुत पेनलेस सी. यूज प्लस फुल, यूजफुल. यूज प्लस लेस, यूजलेस. यूजफुल मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा यूज विच आने वाला, उपयोगी. यूजलेस मीन्स ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸਾਡੇ ਯੂਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ, ਸਾਡੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਵਿੱਚ नहीं आ रही. Care plus full, careful. Care plus less, careless. So careful means जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ, ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ज़्यादा ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ careful ਹੋ ਕੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ. Careless means बहुत लापरवाही नाल. So dear students, even some suffixes we have which bring change in meaning of the word and grammatical status too. So grammatical status means कि कुछ suffix ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਐਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ noun ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, verb ਤੋਂ ਉਹ noun ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈ, ਕੁਝ adjectives, कुछ adverbs. So let's discuss some suffixes that make nouns. For example, ant, ant. ਅਸੀਂ ant suffix ਲਗਾਇਆ, ant ਉਹਦਾ meaning ਹੈ a person. For example, assistant, the person who assists, assistant. Next is double E. It also means a person, referee. Next we have ENCE, an action or state. कोई काम हो रहा है, just like difference. ER, with ER we can make a person like teacher, the person who teaches, driver, singer. So many examples are there which we make with ER. Next we have ERY. ERY suffix लगा के असी कोई place of work बना सकते हैं, just like bakery. Then we have ESS. With this we can make a feminine form like waitress. Then we have full. Full means as much as it can fill, just like spoonful, ਭਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ. ing, ing ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ action ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, just like painting. action ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ noun ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ use ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ action word ਨੂੰ, ਉਹ ਉਦੋਂ ing ਲਗਾ ਕਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ as a noun ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, suffix ਲਗਾ ਕਰ painting. This is my beautiful painting. So a painting एक noun है. Next is ION. A process, state, कोई ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ process ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸਨੂੰ ion ਲਗਾ ਕਰ process ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, present ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, just like decoration. So decorate करना means सजाना. Decoration means सजावट. ISM means a belief, किसी चीज़ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ कोई विश्वास रखना. For example, Judaism. IST means against a person. ਇਹ ਇੱਕ person ਲਈ use ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਵੇਂ florist, chemist. Next is MENT, meant. Meant is again an action or a state, just like measurement. Next we have some suffixes which can be made with adverbs. So we can add ly. Ly means in a manner, like quickly, fastly. Then we have ward, ward. It means show direction, forward, backward. Then we have ways. Ways also shows directions. For example, sideways. Next, we can make adjectives. There are some suffixes that make adjectives. For example, we have ish, a little, means thoda jiha, greenish. Next is less, less, less means without, careless, जो care तो बिना लापरवाह है. Next we have like. Like means किसी चीज़ ना मिलता होया, similar to lifelike. OUS means full of, joyous. Joyous means खुशी ना भरिया होया. Some, ME, some means किसी चीज दी कुछ tendency होना, quarrelsome. So dear students, I think it's clear to you that suffixes comes at the end of the word. Group of letters that comes at the end of the word. It brings change in meaning and grammatical status too. Meaning ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ change ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ, grammatical status ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ noun ਬਣ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ suffix add ਕਰ ਦਈਏ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ adverb ਬਣ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਉਹ adjective ਵੀ ਬਣ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. Dear students, let's do one activity now. So it's very easy and interesting activity. You are having suffix ER and you have to make some more words with suffix ER. So look at this mind map and make some new words with suffix ER. You are having first word teach, sing, cobble, dance, swim, write. I think you got the answers. तारे कोल answers आ गए हैं. So let's know the right answers. Teacher, singer, cobbler, dancer, swimmer, writer. So it's clear, prefix comes at the start of a word, suffix comes at the end of a word. Dear students, your home assignment is make sentences of 10 words with prefix dis and suffix er. So dear students, thank you so much everyone and have a nice day.